McDonald's Happy Meal, and this is toy number 5, Crash, and this is from Karma's World, and everything is just paper and recyclable. This is how it is out of the box. It's like a journal with a bunch of activities on it. Let's get to it. And I guess first activity is make this trophy. Oh nice, I'm gonna make a trophy, and I'm gonna make me the champion, first place winner of whatever I desire. It comes with this color pencil, instructions, music maze. Wow, I love this music maze. Friendship group, who match them, and then make Crash a star, and then color with Crash, and then spot the 10 differences here. Okay, and then connect the dots. I love connect the dots. And you can color too, and then you're a star. And over here, make your own comic by writing it on the top. Hey, you wanna go play basketball? Sure, why not? And then can you find these items? You gotta find all of these items in here, and photo match over here, and then make your own song. The answers are here. Easy. And stickers, my favorite. Nice trophy. Make a sticker up now, the jacket with the stickers, pretty cool. Let's get to the activity. A, B, okay. There, this is B folded in half. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to A. I'm just gonna cut everything out like this. And then I'm gonna take this out, kind of like that. This part stayed, I'll take that out. Okay, I'm gonna put this in half, and then okay, so this is the trophy. We just connect them together, kind of like this. Slice them in like that. There. Now we have a trophy. I'm just gonna pretend this trophy is like I won best movie award, best movie, or best song. There, pretty cool, nice trophy.